Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond our own Milky Way? Well, meet Andromeda, the closest major galaxy to us and a cosmic giant in its own right. In this video, we'll explore mind-blowing facts about Andromeda, its future collision with the Milky Way, and even the possibility of an exoplanet hiding within it. Buckle up, because we're about to take a journey into the depths of space. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is our nearest galactic neighbor, located about 2.5 million light-years away from Earth. Like our own Milky Way, it's a barred spiral galaxy, boasting a stunning swirling structure. But here's something incredible. It spans a whopping 260,000 light-years in width, making it the largest galaxy in our local group. But wait, despite its size, its mass is actually comparable to, or even less than, that of the Milky Way. Now here's the best part. You can actually see Andromeda with your own eyes. No telescope required. But there's a catch. You'll need a dark, clear sky on a moonless night. Andromeda is easiest to spot in August and September when it's highest in the sky. The best trick? Look for the constellation Cassiopeia, which forms a distinctive M or W shape. The lowest point of the W points directly toward Andromeda. Scientists believe Andromeda is between 5 to 10 billion years old. But here's something even more fascinating. It may not have looked like this for all that time. According to a 2018 study, Andromeda may have formed just 2 to 3 billion years ago when two smaller galaxies merged. And speaking of mergers, Andromeda is on a direct collision course with us. In about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will merge to form a massive elliptical galaxy. But don't worry, chances are our solar system will survive relatively unscathed. Here's something straight out of science fiction. A possible exoplanet in Andromeda. In 1999, astronomers observed a mysterious microlensing event, which may have been caused by a planet orbiting a distant star in Andromeda. If confirmed, this would be the first ever exoplanet discovered outside our own galaxy. Scientists estimate this alien world to be around 6.34 times the mass of Jupiter. Imagine what secrets it could hold. Andromeda even played a crucial role in one of the greatest debates in astronomy. Back in the 1920s, astronomers were divided. Was the Milky Way the entire universe, or were there other galaxies out there? The answer came in 1925 when Edwin Hubble used a special type of star, known as a Cepheid variable, to measure the distance to Andromeda. The results? Andromeda was far beyond the Milky Way, proving that our galaxy was just one of many in the vast universe. And there you have it. Our galactic neighbor, Andromeda, is not only a stunning sight but also a fascinating mystery waiting to be unraveled. What do you think about the upcoming collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more space content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep looking up.